Hello everybody, this is Shrikant aka Shrek DJ. Today I'm gonna talk about how to install a GCC compiler and as well as G++ compiler in our Ubuntu or Linux machine. It is very easy, it is very simple. We just have to use a terminal. Terminal will any terminal will work for different operating systems. Some for different Linux machines there are some changes in code, but always the similar. Okay, so before installing the GCC and G++ compiler, we have to update our system with the help of sudo. You need sudo privileges. Be aware of that. Okay. So for sudo apt get and then update. Okay. And you will ask for a password and add the password and select and then enter. Okay. So it will take just a minute or 2 minutes or something like that based on your internet connection. Okay, this is showing errors because I already updated it. Okay, so let's ignore it, let's clear this. Okay, after the clearing we have to go and we have to install GCC and G++ compiler. Now it's easy, we have to just add this line sudo apt-get, then install build build hyphen essential ESSENTIAL essential. Okay, T and hit enter. After this is this does not show that much, but it will ask you yes or no question. Just select yes. It will download all the files. And build, what is the build essential? Build essential is like a package which is bundle of GCC, G++, and make all at once. Okay. After installing that, we can verify this by GCC hyphen hyphen version. See, this is installed GCC hyphen hyphen version and G++ for CPP compiler, G++ hyphen hyphen version. Okay. And if you can also check the GDB version also, GDB hyphen hyphen version, which is different 9.2. Okay, clear. Okay, so it's downloaded, but you can also verify this it is working or not by creating an hello world program. I'm gonna go into my desktop and make a directory named as hello hyphen c. It's easy like this, hello hyphen c. It's created. As you can see, no, you cannot see. Okay, I just changed the location. Okay, this is my hello hyphen c program or project folder. Okay, let's go into that folder, and after going into that folder we are gonna create a file touch dot touch and then hello dot c. Okay, so it does created a file which is hello.c, which is simply a text file. We can use any text editor or terminals nano editor or anything like that. Let's create an hello world file with the help of hash include stdio.h, then int main open close and then opening bracket and print f, then opening hello world string, then close it, semicolon, return 0 semicolon and closing bracket, and just save it, close it. Okay, after saving we have to compile it. We cannot run directly this file because it is just a file of source code. We have to compile it a binary file or a computer program file. So let's compile this like gcc with the help of gcc and then file name hello.c. Okay, hello.c. After that, then output hyphen o and the new name of our compiled program. compiled executable, which is hello world. We it can be with other name, don't worry about it. Hello world. Okay, see at here it is created as hello world. Okay, let's clear this. Let's check now the hello cpp. So we have to create a directory named as hello hyphen cpp in our desktop by going there and make dir hello cpp. Okay, it is also created and it's just did the same. Okay, cd hello cpp. Okay, after that we are gonna create a file named as main.cpp. For you already know hint, cpp is extension for cpp files or cpp language files. Let's touch, let's create, and let's make a simple hello world program in our cpp. Include iostream, then int main, opening bracket, then std colon colon cout less than hello world string, again less than std colon colon ndl semicolon return 0 semicolon and closing bracket. Okay, after it just save it and we have to compile it with the help of g++ and then hello.cpp hyphen o and then our new executable file name, which is hello world. Okay, let's compile it. After compiling, dot slash of right to left hello world, and this is our hello world program in our c++. Okay, so this is how you can install and check out your hello world program or gcc and g++ compiler as soon as possible in ubuntu or linux.